guess a word that starts with the letter P? Let's start with the name of an animal. What do you see? Your answer is correct. P is for penguin. Friends, it turns out there are two types of letter P. Uppercase for the green one, and lowercase for the blue ones. Wow, there's a mysterious shadow. Let's match these letters to their shadows. Great!
Wow!
Good job, my friend. What fruit do you know that starts with the letter P? There are many fruit names that start with the letter P. Among them is pineapple, papaya, and pear. Can you guess another fruit that starts with the letter P? The answer is P is for peach. Let's put together this P letter puzzle. Objects start with the letter P. What do you see? Great! P is for pencil. Let's put the puzzle back together.
Well done!
Good job! Guess what? Other animals start with the letter P. That's right. P is for pig. Another example is potato. Come on, help me to fit this letter P into its shadow.
P.
Hooray! Today we have learned the letter P, starting from uppercase and lowercase. Examples of words that start with the letter P, putting together a puzzle of the letter P, and matching the shadows of the letter P. Subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any other alphabet videos. Don't forget to share this video so others can learn together. See you in the next video.